In this video, we are going to see TPUs and solo tenant nodes. What is meant by these both? We are going to see right now. TPUs. What is this? We need to enable. We have to enable TPU APIs. What is this? What is the use of this one? This will be useful for TensorFlow, like machine learning, I can say. Okay, TPUs means Tensor Processing Units. We can do that. These multiple frameworks we are supported in Google Cloud like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and JAX like that. Okay, I'm not using. We are not using, and you can enable it. Okay, machine learning, but excess of accelerators will be there. It will be very costly. Okay, if you see this pricing, it is very costly. We should not. Machine learning, like 1,000 accelerators more for machine learning, I can say don't enable, don't do that. But which type of companies they are using? Machine learning companies like, for example, see this one, DSE Digital, and Ascent Core, something like, see here, these are the companies. 923, when some studios, Digica, some companies. Okay, these companies are using, I'm not confirming, just these type of companies may use these TPUs. Okay, for framework, we have some framework, right? For these frameworks we can use that. Fine. Solo tenants, what is this one? This is also very costly. Okay, very costly. Solo tenants, we are in, let me show you the diagram, then you will come to know. See this documentation. See, solo tenant, tenancy, simply solo tenant. Okay. See, for example, we are in this mode. It is in project security only. We have security, but the thing is, physically, it will allocate the servers. For example, you are using any games related projects. Okay, games related, like huge healthcare related things, and these type huge, you need something, right? For that, banking also you can go with that, but they'll be charging very more and more. And you want to create a solo tenancy, it will be created in 6,000 GB, 5,000 GB, like that. I'll show you right now, but don't create on all those things. See here, multi-tenant we are into. This is one customer, this is customer, two customers are there, and one more customer in this multi-tenant hosting. Okay, in this solo, see, all colors are customer one, all related to same customer. Okay, separate physical machine they're been creating for you only, but thing is very costly. See, gaming related, finance and healthcare, machine learning, data processing, image processing, like this. In these cases, you can go with that. Okay. But the thing is, see here, node types also there. We will call it as a node. Node is nothing but a dedicated thing. See, this is what is that? This is a physical machines, right? Suppose the processor is C2 node 60, CPUs, virtual CPU is 60, and the gigabytes is 240, like this. Skylake vCPUs 96, GBCC 1 terabyte, like that it will be there. You can select whatever you want. Total cores, how many cores are there? Very costly. Let me show you. See, create a node group. Group 1, which region you want to. This won't be available in all regions, very minimal. Just select it, go here, template, create a node template. Template means we need to get that what is the template type. This is the node type, right? Node type that will be created by you according your project. See here which node. C2 SSDC 6000 GB accelerator. Tesla, some companies have been giving accelerators, right? See this one. I'm not creating. Now see in this overview, C2 like that course, some other you can select it. Not only C2, M1, M1 6000. See, lot of things are there. Don't create. Just I'm giving. Okay. Simple words, solo tenant is a physical machine dedicated for you only, for your project. But this is very costly. Don't do that. If you have in your projects, just go and click on, you can visit what is that, how they are created, and which node they've been created. Okay. Coming video, I will show you what is meant by snapshots